So before I get a cracking on the green Citroen, I need to finish the one in the garage. So about 10, maybe 15 years ago, I bought this shell, which had been completely stripped by the previous owner. DS23, South African car, so right-hand drive. Now I've lost a lot of the photos, unfortunately, have been lost. But these are what I have. The car had been completely stripped by the previous owner, and I had all the parts and a donor car to put back together. As can be seen, it is now nearing the finishing line. Getting the bodywork done was the most major task, as all the chassis work had been done already. Gathering the parts was not a major problem, and figuring out what everything does was not a major problem. Just quite a lot of fettling all the time. Anyway, getting all the electrics working was not a big deal. Getting the hydraulics working seemed to, so far so good. No major leaks, everything works. Paintwork was the biggest deal, and the roof, getting the roof done, because it's such a big panel, and getting it moved was a big deal. But we got there in the end and decided on a nice shade of creamy white, actually a Mercedes colour. Now the car is all back together and everything is working, and then, or so I thought, then the clutch release bearing gave way, so the gearbox had to come out, and that was replaced. While I was there, I replaced the disc as well. So that should be future-proofed for a long, long time and many, many kilometres. Not an easy job in a small garage. Next thing, I then put the starter motor was sort of acting up a little bit, so replaced that with a small, more compact, high-speed, torquey one, which again seems to be future-proofing the car for future generations. So all good now. Car starting, driving, stopping, brakes. Interior is good. Nice black leather interior from an older car, which is in pretty good condition. New carpets. Car ticks over nicely. All the interior is being redone, good condition dashboard, headlinings all new, headrests, good condition, door cards, very good, all the bright work, bumpers, etc., very good, paintwork all nicely polished. Good set of tyres on it, so I need to get rid of this before I can get cracking on the green machine. And this is it at its first car show last summer.